After suffering for the longest 3 seconds of his life, the dictator sneezed in front of the global audience. On the night of the misa, you sat in your childhood bedroom, pretending to be under the weather, with your whole family sitting in the living room, gathering around the TV, watching the live broadcasting of the misa from the other side of the world. The dictator, surrounded by tons of undercover securities, pretending to be cool after being briefed that the Oval Office slapping incident was just a psyop by the CIA to cause the fracture of support and scare the dictator himself, causing the strongman image to crumble. Having no choice but to attend the misa with a smile, one camera was set up to focus on the dictator's face all night to prove what a powerful man he was. With the anticipation of the word, the broadcast started, with the priest walking up the grand golden altar under the watchful eyes of the Lord and Savior. You gently tap the cheeks of the dictator with the smallest facial expression of the dictator, causing your family in the living room to make an exciting fuss. You saw on your own tablet that the dictator twitched his lips. Feeling an unstoppable excitement, you began to feel the naughtiness in your heart exploding, like hearing the most juicy gossip about your favorite and the most resented celebrity. You uncontrollably laughed out like a little piggy, knowing that the following hour would be so much more fun. To build up the anticipation, you scratched the other cheek of the dictator with a feather from your childhood cat toys. Seeing the dictator doing his best, trying to not to move his facial muscles, you giggled and moved to use the feather to tickle the nose. After suffering for the longest 3 seconds of his life, the dictator sneezed in front of the global audience.